Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 4th, 2022. Let's talk about REN crypto. Look at my price chart. I did a video back on the 26th of November. Yeah, last year. I was planning for the weakness to occur into the market in REN, and look what has happened since that time. I'm going to speak about what I'm looking into the market right now in REN. Is it still micro bearish? Because if so, then right now it's not the time for us to come in and buy the market, is it? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I want to show everyone within our community that you do not have to use technical indicators. You don't have to read articles upon articles upon articles to figure out whether or not these cryptocurrencies are going to go up or down. All you have to do is simply look at the price bars and the volume to determine that. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, follow me on all of my other social media platforms to ensure you stay updated on all of my content that I create pertaining to price movement. So now let's dive right on into what happened into the market on my last price prediction. You guys can see it. Let me zoom in closer because I was playing the weakness here in the market in REN on the 26th of November 2021. You guys can see it didn't take long. Right here on the December the 4th, we got that ultimate TP price of about 20.5%. But way past that time, we still saw the market in REN go down. Here we are, February the 4th, and the market is still trending a lot lower. So if you were to get out the market now, take a look at this. Yeah, you'll be up 62.25%. This is how much value has been drained out of the market for REN. From November to February, we've lost 62.25% in the market in REN. But yet and still, everyone wants you to come in and buy the market while the market has been decreasing its value. Now, take a look at this. I wanted to show you how could you have known that the market in REN was still weak. Okay, we saw the price in REN right here break this horizontal line that I got drawn around 70 cents, right? We broke through that line. That line represented we needed to see the buyers uphold the market there. When they broke price through that, we already knew that the market was weak. So back here in December the 15th, all the way back towards the end of the month, the market in REN held 50 cents. And then we saw the price start to go up. But then we got rejected at that number at 70 cents again. The last location that we wanted to see the buyers appear, they didn't show up. So the market in REN tried to break above 70 cents back around the ending of December 23rd, December 24th. And you guys can tell by all of that volume that came through that it was mostly selling. And since that time, the market in REN has just completely fell off, right? That is how you can tell that the market in REN was still weak right here. On these 2 days, December the 21st, as well as December the 22nd, because the market could not break above 70 cents. Even with all of this volume that came in, all of this climactic volume, the market in REN could not break above 70 cents. That was a dead giveaway. This is how you're able to read the market without the confusion. Technical indicators could not have shown you that. So now we need to revamp this chart. A lot has changed since then. Back here in October of last year, the market was trading around $1.20. Here we are today, 33 cents. So I don't need this line up here anymore. I could get rid of it because the market price in REN is all the way down here now. And this is going to be real important. This area right here, 28, 29, 30 cents. It's going to be real important for this market in REN to uphold this area. Because guess what? If we don't, I think you already know that this chart is still micro bearish. We are still in a very sustained downtrend. Let's not get it twisted. Let's keep it real. The market here in REN is extremely weak. Yes, this is a weak market. This is what a bearish market looks like. So if anyone comes in and tries to convince you that this market in REN is ready to go back up to $1.20 to $1.50, they haven't seen this chart. Now, can we see a bounce? Yeah, we need to see a bounce. It's been such a sustained movement to the downside. We need to see a market try to give us some up movement. But that's about it. Don't look for too much out of this. We cannot expect a massive bullish run to occur into the market in REN until we see this price break the descending line. We got to see the market break this on the outside. Until that time, we already know what the play is. All right, so let's look at this on the monthly time frame. So this is the monthly time frame right here into the market of REN, and I think we already got the gist of it, right? Just like I told you when the market in REN was trading around 70 cents in December. Yeah, we need to see the market buyers uphold price around 30 cents. We got to see that in order for us to know that we're not going to go any lower. Because if we do see price go lower in REN, we're going to come all the way back down to 20 cents at least. The next level would be around 15, and that's going to be worse. That's going to be detrimental to the overall market. So let's see what's going on the 2 weeks time frame. So you guys can see right here, this is a very important spot. Okay, I'm going to bring this down. So let's look at this on the 3-day. We got a day and 13 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. And right now it's not that weak. Now this is only from a daily basis. I'm not speaking about how strong the market is in REN on a weekly, monthly time frame, because that's where the weakness is definitely being present. But from a 3-day, look at this on the 2-day time frame, we're still seeing that the market may give us a small movement higher. This is just slight strength. I'm not talking about massive strength. I'm not talking about a high amount of strength that's here in the market. Maybe we can see the price hit 35-40 cents and be satisfied, and that's about it. Let's look at this on an hourly time frame. So I think you all can see that there's still some strength here into the market in REN. I actually like it from an hourly to a daily time frame. Okay, I actually like it. Now this is going to be contingent on us seeing this market in REN uphold price above 27 cents. Okay, now I like what's going on the daily and the hourly time frame, so I'm going to place some strength on this price prediction, but it's only going to be on that time frame, a daily basis. I'm not looking for this to occur over the next like 3 months or so. Now I think you guys can tell here from the 11-hour time frame that we got a couple of areas that we need to be on the lookout for, right? This is the first one right here. You guys can see on these 11-hour price bars that the market is getting hung up right there around 34 cents. Okay, you see that? This is where the market is getting hung up at. So we need to be prepared to at least nibble some profitability off the market right there around 34 cents. Bigger area as I switch this over to a 15-hour chart, you guys can see that maybe around 36 we can see the next level. So my first area is going to be around 36 cents for us to take the bag. Okay, that's only 8.75%. But like I told you, there's only slight strength that is being revealed here on the chart. I don't want to be massively over bullish to where we missed the price target. So 36 cents. Okay. My next area from a daily perspective would be up here towards 40, which is around what, 19.5%. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. So this is what I'm looking forward to. This is not one of those whole sit down and let this market play out over the next 6 months to 7 months. No, this strength that I'm seeing here is only on a daily basis. So we got 36 cents and then 40 cents. Those are my 2 price targets that I'm looking for the market and REN to go, because we still got all of this down pressure that the market really needs to go through before we actually see a massive movement higher. And we haven't seen that yet. So as we continue to see this market and REN trade this way, we're building the next cause for us to at least allow the market to start that. But we haven't started it yet. So I'm just going to play a little bit of strength here on this video. This is my updated price prediction into the market in REN. And overall, yes, this market is still macro bearish. We're still seeing it on this chart. The market is telling us basically from where we came to where we are at now. All right. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Give me your price target. Give me your price prediction. Make it public. Leave it in the comment section of this video to show everyone what is your idea about REN. Where are we going to go? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.